Hey everyone, Buzz Burline with Beeline Fishing, Kingfisher Kayak Adventures, and Team New Canoe. Today I am in the fishing tackle room right outside of my garage, and in this episode I am going to teach you how to fix a common problem with the Motorguide Xi3 remote. If you might have had some experience and some frustration with this little plastic piece breaking, this is the piece that holds the lanyard that goes around your neck that connects to the remote. Can be really annoying and expensive, especially if you go out and buy another remote for over $100. The good news is there's a better option, and I was told about a product from my friends at TKICNC.com out of Billings, Montana. It's a trolling motor plate that helps keep everything secure, waterproof, and it's only 10 bucks. So let's get started and show you how to make this little repair. But before we do, please don't forget to subscribe. And if this video brings you some value, please give it a thumbs up, make a few comments. That'll help me keep doing these videos in the future for you. So stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. Let me first say that I'm not sponsored by TKICNC.com. I don't know these guys, but this is just a great product that I like, and I think it can be valuable to other people who have the same problem. So to get started, you have your remote. There's your lanyard. These are the different, I got 2 packs because I have 2 remotes that I want to do this on. You might consider doing this even if your plastic piece hasn't broken off the back yet, just because it is more secure than the plastic piece. And this is the contact information, www.tkicnc.com. And this is what the packet looks like when it comes in. The only maybe downside to this whole kit is that the screws that come with the kit are not Phillips head screwdrivers. They are Torx, T-O-R-X bit driver. And this is a T15. This has options to go smaller or larger. But if you don't have one of these, then there's going to be a little bit extra cost. I got this at Home Depot for $10. So very easy to figure out. It's still cheaper than buying a new remote. Okay, so I've taken things out of the package, and what comes in the package are the directions, 4 spacers, 4 screws. You have the aluminum trolling plate itself and a sticker. So very easy to start. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your small Phillips head screwdriver and you're going to take out your 4 screws that came stock with the remote. I like to loosen them all up. I don't even have to take the whole thing apart because I just want to keep it all together because I don't want to loosen that gasket if I don't have to. Okay, set those off to the side. Everything's still intact. I haven't even had to take it apart. The next step is you're going to take these spacers and you're going to put them just right in each one of the holes. Then the next step is you take your aluminum plate with the arrow pointing towards the broken plastic piece where the lanyard would go, because this is where the lanyard is going to go again. Just place it over those 4 holes, and then fit in the new screws. and start to tighten them down. I tend to not tighten them all the way down one by one. I'll just kind of work them so there's an even push on the gasket. So I'm not taking this one and just wrenching it all the way down. I'm just kind of doing it like I would do lugs on a tire. And it's important to get them in there firm, but don't over tighten, because you could break the plastic of the housing on the remote. Just make sure you're getting it firm so that gasket, that gray gasket that goes around the edge, doesn't have any openings in it.
That's nice and tight.
And basically that's it. You take your lanyard and you slide it through the hole like so. Reconnect your lanyard and you're good to go. It holds firm. That's what it looks like from the side. There's just a little space in between there. And this, now you have no plastic going to break it. It's still waterproof. You haven't, drilled into any of the plastic here or worried about that. And it's easy to change out the battery down the line. All right, as you can see, problem solved. What a great solution to kind of an annoying problem with these remotes when those pieces break. So this is rock solid, waterproof, and inexpensive. Just a terrific solution to my problem. I hope that you find this valuable. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and make a beeline to this product if this will help you out. So have a great day, and we will see you on the water.